Hi, my name is Peter Cantifer. Today I'm going to be walking you through a demonstration of our integration with Adobe Sign and bpm'online. In this example, we will demonstrate the process of sending an agreement to a customer for signature. In Adobe Sign integration, you can either create a completely new agreement from scratch within the agreement section, or you can populate an agreement from the standard sections in bpm'online. In the agreement record, you can see we have the agreement recipient detail. This detail allows you to assign contacts with a role and order relating to the agreement signature process. Now we have the attachments detail. This is where you attach the documents that are sent out to the recipients. Furthermore, once the document has been signed, bpm'online will automatically upload the signed PDF version to this detail. For extra levels of security, a sender can generate an alphanumerical password, which must be entered by the recipient in order for them to access the agreement. Additional features include the signature reminder field, where users can set daily or weekly reminders for recipients to complete their actions within the agreement. Alternatively, you can send manual reminders via the Actions menu. You can also set an expiry date for this agreement via the Completion Deadline field. This will automatically cancel the agreement when the deadline date is met. Once you've uploaded your agreement and confirmed the information in these details, simply click Edit and Send, or the Send Agreement button. By clicking Send Agreement, this will automatically add a signature field to the bottom of your document and send out that agreement. The Edit and Send button will allow users to manually drag and drop individual elements into your document via the fields available on the right. After your agreement has been sent, the recipient will receive an email where they'll be asked to sign the agreement. Once the contract has been sent, users can easily track each stage of the agreement process via the agreement event detail. This will display every interaction, such as whether the recipient has viewed, approved, or signed the document. Our integration will also include a valid date and timestamp of the interaction for enhanced visibility of your agreement. Finally, using bpm'online, you can efficiently track the status of your agreement via the dashboard section. This provides clear visibility and metrics into all of your latest agreements and the current status. If you would like to learn more about our Adobe Sign integration, please contact our friendly sales team. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching and happy signing.